Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2015, the Ford F-150. Stock number is T20228A. Let's take a virtual video walkaround and show you this F-150 up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Making our way down the driver's side exterior, you can see there's no dents, no dings. Get a good shot of that right there. This is a 4x4. You see the tunnel covering, of course. And we're going to make our way down the passenger exterior and give you a good shot there. And of course, we got to go in the interior. This vehicle does come equipped with the EcoBoost 3.5 liter V6 motor with the 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, traveling with friends or family, they got ample room in the rear. Nice comfortable ride, very safe. Oil changes for life, warranty protection for life. At Sunset Ford, you just get more. Now take a look at the interior front. No rips, no tears, no stains, easy access to all your controls within arm's reach. So for more information on this pickup or any others in our inventory, call us, email us, text us, better yet. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.